Hello guys and welcome to a new music class with Miguel. We are done with the blues for now. Because today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to learn how to read tablature. Now, this is it sounds like it's complicated. Believe me, it's the easiest thing ever. So, first, the objective of this session. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand how to read tablature. Pretty straightforward, okay? But first, what is tablature? So tablature is a system by which we can read notes for a guitar or a bass. This will not work for piano or saxophone or any other instruments. It can only work for guitars or basses, okay? String instruments where you have frets, okay? So far, we have learned how to read in standard notation, okay? Standard notation is when you have a music staff and you have the notes like whole notes or half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, etc. Okay, that is standard notation. We have been reading that since the beginning of music teaching here at Colegio Menor. Now, tablature is a different system. Okay, now tablature is the full name, but is mostly known as tabs. Okay, which is the name that we will be using from now on. Okay, tabs, simply that, as you can see here in red, tabs. Now, how to read tabs? Okay, so first, let's compare. Here we have on the top standard notation where you have the music staff, you have the treble clef, you have the time signature. Here you will put the notes on the lines and the spaces and everything else. Okay, that is standard notation. But tablature or tab is going to be this. Okay, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Every line is going to be a string of the guitar. Okay, so here you have the first line, you have number 1, it's going to be the first string of the guitar, this one. Then the second one, this B, is the second string. Then you have third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So it's like you're watching the guitar like this, okay? And you have the first string on the top, and you simply go down in pitch. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, okay? That is what we need to know so far, okay? That each line is going to represent a string of the guitar. Next. So here we have a short little exercise, if you say so, in which we have the same notes in standard notation and the same notes in tabs, okay? How do we read the tabs? Well, simply here, you see that this number 1 is on the first string, okay? And the number that you see here is going to identify the fret. So if this is the number 1, it means that the fret you're going to be pressing is the first fret. On what string? The first string, because it is on the first line. So you would do this. The first line, the first string, first fret. So this note right here, this 1, is going to be this. The second note we have is this 3 on the second line, meaning that we're going to be playing fret number 3 on the second line. So this. Okay, second line, third fret, second string, third fret, sorry. So far we have this and this. Then we have number 3 on the first string. So that means first string, third fret. So the 3 notes we have so far are this, this, and this. And then you have the number 0 on the first line, meaning that is going to be the first string. But what fret? 0 means open, so simply the first string open. So the 4 notes we have are okay, since we have one note after the other in a horizontal way, it means that you're going to be playing every note after the other, like this, like a sequence. But when you have all the notes in a vertical position, that means you're going to be playing those at the same time, making a chord, like it's right here. So simply here you see that on the 6th string, we play the 3rd fret. Then on the 5th string, we play the 2nd fret. Then the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd are going to be open. And then the 1st string is going to be number 3, so the 3rd fret. So if you play all of this at the same time, you get a chord, which is G. Maybe you remember it, maybe you don't remember it. Okay, but it's G. So the entire 2 bars of this exercise with tabs will sound like this. I'm sorry. Okay? So here you have, again, these are individual notes played one at a time, one after the other. And these are notes that are played at the same time, where they are put vertically on the tabs. Okay? So your task, very simple one, is to play this exercise. Okay? You're going to record a video of yourself playing the following exercise. This one right here. Okay? You know how it sounds. You can rewind back and see how it is. And just play this in a video, very short exercise, and upload it to Schoology. Okay? Why is this important? Because we are going to see some exercises in the following weeks that are going to be written in tabs. So it's very important that you understand how to read these tabs. Okay? That is it for this session, and I will see you next class. Bye-bye.